Using completely free AI tools, you can create these banger videos that people absolutely love to watch.
Trevor Henderson creatures are some of the most terrifying monsters ever created. A faceless giant with sirens for a head, a cartoon cat that hunts in the
making them some of the highest performing videos on YouTube right now in 2026. And as a small proof, you can check out this channel sitting at 77,000 subscribers with only 14 videos. Every single video is pulling hundreds of thousands of views, and some even millions. According to Social Blade, this channel gained almost 1 million views in the last 30 days, and their estimated revenue from these views falls anywhere between $2,000 to $3,000. This niche is called Creature Mythology Explainers. This niche talks about scary and mythical creatures by mixing old stories with real sightings and simple science. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can make these videos step by step. So without wasting any time, let's jump in. Before starting content creation, you need to understand how this channel actually makes their videos. This channel uses 4 different types of clips, a combination of AI images, AI videos, stock footage, and motion graphics on plain or grid backgrounds. If we talk about their image style, they mainly use a 90s camera shot look, combined with styles like Trevor Henderson-inspired creature art, which gives the feeling that these images and videos are real shots from history. The crazy part? These can be very easily created using AI, just with the right creative instructions. Now that we've decoded their creation format, it's time to actually cook. Starting with getting high-potential video topics, and you really need to be careful in this part, because the topic you choose decides whether your video will perform or just get buried with hundreds of thousands of similar videos. To ensure that your topic really is the best in the market, you need some special prompts to correctly command AI, and for that purpose, I have listed down all the prompts that you will need for this niche. All of these prompts are listed in a Google document and completely free to use. I will drop these prompts inside the prompts channel of my Discord server and will provide the link to Discord in the description of this video. Feel free to join. Now you need to copy the first prompt from the Google document and use any chatbot of your choice. For this purpose, I am going to use ChatGPT. Inside of GPT, we will paste our prompt, but there are few things you need to ensure to get the best topics, which I will show you in a moment. First of all, simply input the number of topics you want. I will go with 50. The reason to choose a higher number of topics is simple. AI normally gives generic and basic topics when you give it a smaller number, but when you give it a higher number, it spits out topics that normally go hidden, and they are amazingly powerful. Once you have the topics now, instead of picking a random one, you need to ask GPT to pick 3 best topics from the list that have the most highest chances of attracting a larger audience on YouTube. And it's going to pick up the 3 best topics. And it will also give you the reason that why it picked these 3 topics and why they have the highest potential to perform. Then you can just save those topics somewhere, and you are future-proof as well. This way, you are getting video ideas the best possible way, following a separate path than most people who don't know how to correctly command AI for non-generic results. Once you have the topics now, you need a powerful script, and remember my words. If your script is good, then no matter if you do average editing, your video will perform because words and the way you represent them holds the actual power. But for a powerful script, you need to command AI the right way. Otherwise, you will get the same boring, generic, and robotic AI script that 90% of people get. And for commanding AI the right way, you need to utilize the next prompt from the Google document, which is for writing a script. You can read this prompt to understand what it actually commands the AI. Inside of this prompt, you need to copy and paste your video topic. This prompt covers everything that AI needs to learn in order to provide you banger script with humanistic touch. This prompt also commands the AI that it shouldn't end the script, so you can ask AI from next command to continue the script from where it left. And if you want a longer script like 10 minutes plus, you can keep asking AI to not end the script so it can continue from where it left. This way you get a longer yet professional and banger script. When you have the script, arrange it in sequence inside a notepad. Read it out, spend some time to understand the concept so you can make a video worth watching. If needed, do some changes, add your own commentary for a personal touch. Script is something you shouldn't rush through if you really want your video to succeed. So when the script writing part is finished, we need to create our voiceover. And there are a few totally free options available in the market that allow commercial use as well, like Google AI Studio and Clipchamp. For this demonstration, we will be using Google AI Studio. Once you are inside the Google Studio, it might ask you to create a free account using your Google account. So just do that, and once you are on the home page, simply click on this option, Turn Text into Audio with Gemini. Once you are on the voiceover page, it might appear messy if you are using it for the first time, but don't worry. Fix this, simply click on Single Speaker Audio, and your interface will be like any standard AI text-to-speech software like 11 Labs. On top, you will have a command box. This gives AI instructions for creating your voiceover. This decides the emotion of your video. For our niche, you can add additional words to the existing instruction, like suspenseful and curious tone as well, to make the voiceover even more engaging. You will see a huge difference in the tone if you add these additional instructions. After that, just copy and paste your script in here. I suggest to create voiceover in parts. After that, from right side drop down, you can listen and choose a good voiceover character of your choice. Feel free to test out the available voiceovers, and in final, click on this option below to start the voiceover generation, which can take a few seconds to minutes. If you follow all these steps carefully, your voiceover will be mind-blowing. Once ready, click on the 3 dots next to the voiceover and click on download, and your voiceover will be downloaded. After the voiceover creation comes the most important part of this video, which is creating and collecting visuals for our videos. Similar to the channel, Mysterious Facts. And if you skip a single point in this part, you might actually mess up later on, so pay close attention. First, we get AI images. Then we will move towards AI videos. And finally, the perfect stock footages. For getting AI images, you first need the correct image prompts. And for image prompts, you need to utilize the next prompt from the Google document. Copy-paste this prompt in GPT, and inside of this prompt, you need to copy and paste one paragraph of your script at a time. There will be empty placeholders where you can paste your paragraphs, and once you provide GPT your prompt, it's going to write you the perfect image prompts, and if you pay attention, GPT is going to write you the exact image style you want, including the Trevor Henderson art style, the one Mysterious Facts use. In the same way, you need to copy-paste each paragraph one by one, and GPT is going to provide you with high-quality image prompts, which you can then use to create your images. Along with each prompt, you will see that GPT will also provide you animation prompts. Each image has its animation prompt. This animation prompt is used to convert that particular image into a top-class video clip, which we'll be using later on. For image creation, we will be using a free AI tool named Whisk. Copy up your first image prompt and paste it inside of Whisk. Make sure to select the aspect ratio as 16:9 and just hit generate, after which Whisk will start the image creation, which takes a few seconds, and just take a look at the image quality yourself. It's perfect. But there are some visual effects that we need to apply to these images to make them just like Mysterious Facts, but we will do that during editing. In same way, you need to utilize the other prompts of yours and create all of your images. And once all of your images are ready, it's time to turn them into video clips, and you can do that for free inside of Whisk as well. Whisk gives 5 free video generations every day, which you can use to animate your images. To do that, go to your image, and on side, you will see option to animate. Simply click on it, and here you need to write your animation prompts. Simply head back to GPT and copy the animation prompt of the corresponding image and paste it inside of Whisk and hit generate, after which Whisk will start your video creation, which can take up to 5 minutes. Let me show you the final results. As you can see, the video seems professional and precisely animated. Following the same method, you can animate your other images as well, but you don't need to animate every single image. Now, about the stock videos, there are many options available for that purpose, with free options like Pexels and Pixabay, and best paid options for top quality stock videos like Canva and FreePic. These are the top choices among me. According to your budget and personal preferences, you can use any of your choice. You just need to correctly type in relevant keywords related to your video for getting the best video clips. Once all the material is ready, simply import everything inside of CapCut for top-notch editing. First of all, place the voiceover on the timeline, and first, as usual, make sure to remove the silent areas from the entire voiceover. This is to ensure that the video maintains same pacing throughout. Once done, select aspect ratio as 16:9, and then one by one, place all the clips on the timeline: AI images, AI videos, stock videos, if any. but you will see that the videos you generated in Whisk will have VEO watermark. So just crop or stretch your video until that VEO watermark is hidden. And since your video is going to be long, so don't get frustrated. Do it with patience and ease, because at first it might feel so overwhelming, but with time you will get used to it. And you can also use motion backgrounds. And on those backgrounds, you can add certain type of materials like images, elements, motion graphics. For the AI images, don't keep them still. Add some sort of motion to make them overall classy, and for that, just head to the start of the image and place a keyframe on transform, and then head to the end of the image and increase its size by a few points. No need to add any animation graph. This smooth zoom in will do the job, and once all the material is correctly placed, now you can add some transitions between the clips. For this niche, black fade and light animations work perfectly. You can take your time to experiment with different types of transitions that suit your video. Now, talking about effects, this is important. If you want to achieve same quality as Mysterious Facts, then note down some effects. First is film frame effect, noise effects, and old effects. Especially when you search for old in the effects, you will get these TV type and cam type effects. They give this vibe that these were some real footages captured in ancient times. Just play with these effects and analyze which effects works best on which particular clips, but don't over-edit. There's a huge misconception that heavy editing equals to more views, which is totally misinformative. Even if your editing is average, but you understand the concept of smartly representing what is being said in your video, you will automatically capture the attention of viewers. And once this part is done, just add auto captions from CapCut. And once applied, you can choose a template for your captions. I really suggest you go with long captions for long videos. If you want to add a personal touch to these captions, you can change the font and the color of the captions to make them unique. And make sure to place them at the bottom area of the video where they suit well. And in final, you can add a suspenseful background music to your video. You can ask GPT to tell you which type of music will work for your video, or you can just ask it to write a background music description, which you can use any AI tool to generate. Adjust the volume and done, your video is ready. Let's watch.
Longhorse is one of the most unsettling creatures to look at. It appears as a long, pale, snake-like body with dozens of thin legs stretching underneath, ending in the skull of a horse. The skull has hollow eye sockets and an expression that feels frozen, lifeless, yet strangely calm. Unlike most horror creatures, Longhorse does not chase or attack, it simply appears. The origin of Longhorse comes from internet horror art, but its behavior closely matches something much older. In many cultures, especially in parts of Europe and Asia, there are stories of death omens or warning spirits that appear before disasters. These entities were not evil, they were signs.
That was fabulous. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now let's create our banger thumbnail. Now, if you take a look at the thumbnails of Mysterious Facts, you will see that their thumbnails are super simple, yet smartly created to catch attention. They are using 2 images of creature with text to catch attention. So for images, you simply need to use the same prompts you used for creating images for your videos. Use the same prompts, but select aspect ratio as 1:1 and generate your images. As you can see, I have already generated all of the images in the 1:1 format. Once the images are ready, download them and head to Canva. Make sure to select YouTube thumbnail preset, and then when you land on the editing page, from side head to uploads and simply upload the images you created. After that, place 2 images on the page and adjust them just like me. Add both images side by side so that together they fit the full page. After that, head to Elements and search for straight line, either black or white, and place the line just like between your images to add a partition. Once that part is done, our thumbnail is almost ready. Now we just need to add text box and type in some eye-catchy words related to our video or creature, like myths and reality or real and fake, and similar stuff that can creature curiosity. Just place the texts on the top of each image. Make sure to select a good bold font, and also make sure to change the color of the fonts. After that, you can also apply effects to your text. For that, make sure the text is selected, and then click on effects, and you will see some cool effects that you can apply to your image. It's totally up to you. I will go with shadow effect. You can play with its settings to increase or decrease the opacity until you are satisfied with the results. You can also add other elements like arrows or circles to highlight the subject. According to studies, studies, it has been proved that using arrows and circles in thumbnail or videos tends to hook the viewer and helps in catching their attention. And just like this, our thumbnail is ready to be exported. Like and subscribe for more banger videos and learn some cool editing tricks inside of CapCut for free by watching the video popping on the screen.